Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Hamad Mazan. Today I will talk about my project assignment. So I choose my project assignment. I choose to make the object called the nail clipper. So I choose the nail clipper because not because because some nail clipper has a simple design, and also nail clipper has three components that is very important to make sure all the to make sure the object works perfectly. So this here we have the level, the box, and the base. So what I use to make the object, make my drawing of the object is at first I use this kind of reference, and then I decided to change my reference because this reference is not very suitable, because it is not very not very not very realistic to copy. So I choose another reference. So I choose this one and this one. So this resembles my actual drawing. So this is for the isometric drawing. So how I got the drawing? So at first I draw the isometric because at first I draw the base first. So base meaning the whole of the drawing. So what I wanted it to be. So for example, like this, my whole drawing is, I wanted to make my whole drawing 72.5 millimeters long. And then for the width of the drawing, I want it to be 10. So with the base I have created, I now proceed to the drawing. So then I forgot about the the tallness of the drawing, the height, sorry. So with the box that I created, I slowly made my drawing. So for example, like this box, so I make this drawing based on the box. After I made the isometric drawing, so as you can see here, it resembles the one I've been received. It has a circular box, and like this. So the hardest part about this drawing is to make sure this part is 30 degrees, because in many of the nail clippers, this is usually 30 degrees, and I wanted to have a 30-degree angle incline to the base, because that's how I see the reference point, and based on my studies, I have gathered that most nail clippers use 30 degree as the incline angle. So when I got the isometric, so it's very easy to do to the orthographic one because the orthographic one is very simple. So this is from the so this is my orthographic drawing. So the hardest part is labeling all of these and making the small circular thing that lifts up the boat is very difficult. So you can make the orthography based on the metric yourself. So for the 3D part, I use the orthographic drawing right here and use the press and pull command to lift up the drawing. So I can make an example here. So for example, I take it this and copy. So let's say I wanted to draw this part. First we close this up to make sure we can do the passport. So this usually happens. So what I try to do is make it smaller. And then we take a different then based so what I try to do is always make the so I try to do the really the original length, so which is 9 of the original width. Because you can see here that my drawing has a difference. This is 9 millimeters while this is 5 millimeters. So what I'll do usually what I'll do is use this as a reference point. Then take the middle part of this, and because this is 5, so I make it 2.5. So it comes like that. So what I'll do, I'll just find the intersection, the point. It becomes very hard sometimes because it has no room. And what you'll do here, so let me demonstrate again. is the part, right? So take this part, then make it perpendicular. So when we look at this, it will become like this. So when we straighten it up, it become like this. So and then we take this, finishing off. So what we'll do is move the Z towards the upper part, and then you can use the press pull. Oh, sorry, made a mistake. So you use the press pull. Again, if you can get it, you can shorten the line so it becomes easier to get. And if it doesn't work, you can put the, so it comes like that. Put the UCS to becomes easier to make. So then what you want to do, and then subtract the object. So choose the object you want to keep, and enter, and choose the object you want to delete, which is these two objects, and enter. And then it becomes perfectly with this almost finished. So that's how I did that's how I did the project. That's how I did the project, including the lines, including the slope here, and that's not straight. See, it has a this I made into a circular, and this is 10. This is with a radius of 8, and this is 10 millimeter. So you can see it as do. So I use the same tactic for the base and the lever. Okay, that is all from me. Thank you.